Wall gardening, also known as vertical gardening, is transforming the way we think about green spaces. It involves growing plants on walls or other vertical structures, creating stunning living displays. This innovative approach is gaining popularity, especially among urban dwellers with limited space. Imagine a cascade of vibrant flowers or a tapestry of fresh herbs adorning your walls. Wall gardens bring a touch of nature indoors and out. They can transform dull fences, balconies, and even interior walls into captivating focal points. Whether you're an experienced gardener or a complete novice, wall gardening offers a rewarding and accessible way to connect with nature. It's time to embrace the vertical and elevate your gardening experience. This image showcases the transformative power of wall gardens, turning an ordinary brick wall into a vibrant green oasis. It's a testament to how this technique can beautify any space, no matter how small. With a little creativity and effort, you can achieve a similar effect in your own home. Beyond their visual appeal, wall gardens offer a range of benefits. They utilize vertical space efficiently, making them ideal for small gardens, balconies, and patios. This is particularly beneficial in urban areas where ground space is limited. Vertical gardens also act as natural air purifiers. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, improving air quality and creating a healthier environment. Moreover, they provide insulation, helping to regulate indoor temperatures and potentially reducing energy costs. Imagine stepping out onto your balcony and being greeted by the fresh scent of herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary. A vertical herb garden not only enhances your culinary experience, but also adds a touch of beauty to your outdoor space. Creating your own wall garden is easier than you might think. The first step is to choose a suitable location. Consider factors like sunlight exposure, water access, and the structural integrity of the wall. Next, select a wall-mounted planting system. There are various options available, including modular panels, fabric pockets, and recycled plastic bottles. Choose one that suits your budget, aesthetic preferences, and the types of plants you wish to grow. This visual guide makes it easy to understand the process of setting up a modular wall garden. The step-by-step instructions ensure that even beginners can confidently create their own vertical oasis. When selecting plants for your wall garden, opt for varieties that thrive in the specific light and moisture conditions of your chosen location. Consider a mix of trailing plants such as ferns and ivy for cascading greenery, and flowering plants like petunias and begonias for pops of color. Watering is crucial for wall gardens as they tend to dry out faster than traditional gardens. A drip irrigation system or a watering can with a long spout will help deliver water directly to the roots. Regular fertilization is also essential to provide your plants with the nutrients they need to flourish. Watering a wall garden requires a slightly different approach than traditional gardening. This image illustrates the importance of using a watering can with a long spout to ensure water reaches the roots of all the plants effectively.